What's going on, guys? If you don't know already, my name is Bailee Durant, and this is exciting. I just got off work, left a little early, and we are heading to meet up with a homie. He is getting new wheels on his E92 M3 today. He's already shown me what wheels he went with. I'm super excited to see what they look like on the car, because it's going to be a big upgrade. He also plans on lowering the car, which I think it's going to need it. It's going to look so good once he does, because the fitment and the offset he chose, oh, it's going to be so aggressive. But let's head on to meet him at the gas station.
I could literally hear you from down the road.
Really?
Yeah.
I wasn't even being that loud too, because I was on the phone with Christina.
I heard the downshift. I'm like, yeah, he's close. He's close.
I still, like, this engine, I'm so paranoid because of the sound, but it sounds so good.
It sounds too good, yeah.
I hate BMW heaven over here. It's literally 2,000 RPM. I ain't revving it. So this is the first time watching the channel. This is my 15 M4, and this is an 08?
Yeah, super.
08 E92, and it's super clean. Like, you wouldn't think it's an 08. It looks like a 13.
Only 29,000 miles.
29,000 miles on 08. That's very impressive.
I gotta show them.
These wheels, so what's the model name? I know they're Vorsteiner.
VFF 103.
VFF 103, oh, there they are. Look at those. And for some reason I was thinking you're going with gray. Dude, the concave. The concave.
Look how fat these are.
Yes, 295s. That concave is so good. Lance, I think we need to just put these on my car.
They'd look awesome.
Imagine. And this is Caleb, by the way. He's the one helping us out after hours. Thank you. Yeah, I saw this yesterday. That's new. 2 weeks ago, this wasn't here.
Yeah.
I'm just scared of that wind's catching it. Oh, exhaust leak there. I need to tighten that up. 5 miles. I don't even know the miles. I try to do it every 2 or 3, just because the way I drive the car, I feel like that's not often enough. Same as simple there, simple there, simple there.
Yeah, 2 or 3 is a very, very, very low interval. I think even if you just beat the hell out of it, I would still do like 4 or 5, honestly.
Yeah. I figured I'd probably do it too often, but
I mean, you know, what's the worst thing that happens? You just spend money on oil changes.
Yeah. As
opposed to, you know, engines.
I know, I fear owning this car because I realize how expensive the engine is.
Oh yeah.
How's everything looking?
You got some axle grease here.
Oh no.
Yeah, just I think you can see it all up there and on the exhaust and stuff.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, your diff seal's leaking a little bit. Nothing unusual, but also nothing that anybody wants to hear.
It's on this side, huh?
Yeah.
Why would it be leaking like that?
Oh, there's probably just like a tiny little tear in it. You know, maybe a rock or something got in there while you were driving.
To be honest, I did too many of those.
I did a Blackstone analysis on this.
Yeah.
And it came back with like flawless results. And like the guy was like, actually in his notes, he said, how do you have an 08 with 29,000 miles on it, first of all?
Really?
Yeah, that's what he said to me. He's like, the engine's perfect. He's like, you don't need to worry about anything.
I wish they did that with the F80 too.
I don't think they serve a purpose though, do they?
They do. They go up to your coolers, your oil coolers. You can see your oil cooler on this side for sure.
Oh yeah.
They're up there, yeah. On the 305, they had fog lights here because I did the MRET, and I had to cut it out, and I bought these air ducts and just glued them onto the bumper. They're really mounted differently. Start measurement on the oil. That's more lined up at the fender, hooks out that Back to this side, you can see it goes way in. It's awesome. How they have that little ledge, really cool.
Steiner. There we go.
So I've been here. The only thing I've ever done on an F80 chassis is a Valvetronic servo motor. Other than that, it's just been maintenance.
Yeah, dude, it takes a beat.
Yeah, I know over there they did a oil filter housing gasket last week. But other than that, Valvetronic servo motor is the only other thing I've seen. The GTS has a recall for the drive shaft, but you don't have to worry about that.
Too bad there wasn't an axle recall. Let's go! He's hyped.
Your tire pressures are okay. Oh yeah. I'm excited. You can have all these. They've been sitting here for months.
Yes.
No one's ever touched them since they've been sitting
I
there.
needed those so bad. Thank you.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is probably like $30 on ECS too.
Probably. You ready?
That fitment is right on the line, and especially the front. And once you actually lower it and get that tire really close to that fender, it's gonna tuck. Like that is tuckable. It's gonna look so good. Oof. There it looks better. I mean, there it looks better. It does.
That is, after springs are on that, this is like almost a perfect fitment though, you're right. Look at that. Just enough tire outside the wheel well.
And that's what you want when you go for that lower look. It's literally perfect. Man, I'm gonna try one more time. Can we put those on my car? A year or two though, right? They only made them for like 1 year or two, right?
Yeah. I think production was like 02 to 04 or something like that. And there were maybe 5,000 in the world or something like that.
They're so minimal.
Yeah, they have the S62 out of the E39 M5.
They're so like classic looking cars. It's obviously the purpose.
Yeah,
Like
the interior.
I don't know if you guys ever seen the interior of this. I mean, this is early 2000s, but it looks like it's from like the 80s, if not 60s. Probably even older. Oh, that's actually clean.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car. You can see it's got Dynon intakes. It's got Dynon throttle bodies, Dynon headers.
Really cool. My favorite thing is the headlight style and the grille. Like just when you see that.
Yeah, these are beautiful cars.
And it's weird because you know it's a BMW instantly, but it's not BMW at the same time.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
Like, it's kind of confusing. Oof. Look at it, dude. They look really good. They look really good. Get out and look at it at least. Once you have that front end loader like an inch and a half, it's gonna look perfect. That's cool. Well,
You're next.
I'm on your side. Congrats.
Thanks, man.
And thank you again for that oil change.
Yeah, not a problem.
Fun fact, I wasn't gonna ride with him, but he said no because his wheels are more important. And then last second, because I'm driving my car up here, I was gonna come up here within the week anyways for an oil change. So he hooked it up last second for me. I really appreciate it.
Seriously, look at this rear fitment right here. Like, look how just perfectly those tires sit out.
Yeah.
So these are the Hankook
It's really good.
V12s and the Vorsteiner VF FL3s, 103s. 19 by 9.5 rear, it's like 19.
That's sick.
19 by 9.5 front.
Alright boys, we are getting out of here. I need fuel ASAP. Alright, let's see if I can do this. He's coming. Hey, he did. Cool. Alright, off to the gas station we go. He's recording me. I know, dude. That would sound so good. That V8. It would be brutal. I would make everybody deaf if I had that.
Dude, one thing at a time.
I know. Even going down the road, this thing looks so much better. And it's like hard to tell because it's so dark, but you can see the width on it. And all in all, it changed the car so much. Like, props. What a good decision for that car. I give it 10 out of 10 for this car. It really does look good. The fitment, perfect. Like, it turned the whole car into a different look. Like, it's crazy. Every time I see someone do wheels, it blows my mind like how much it changes the car itself. And one of my favorite things is seeing the stickers. You can see the stickers on the highway too, because when people see the stickers, like, oh, they got some fresh shoes. And you just tell. I like when people know.
It's like when you get a brand new pair of like off-whites and you keep the zipper on.
I know, I've seen people do that. Same concept, I guess.